think your question is really good. I don't think we're responding. I think in many cases we're just simply reacting. It's like we're trying to put a band-aid over something quickly so that it stops happening, but we often have not very carefully identified exactly what the problem is, then looked systematically at different ways we could address it, and then selected one and actioned it. I think we often are uncomfortable when poor well-being or poor mental health presents itself and we rush to trying to solve it, often without taking the time to really set up a process that is going to be measurably effective. And this rushing and reacting often misses the mark, and frankly often means we just waste a whole lot of money, and people who are hoping for solutions don't actually get them.